Hi everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today we are using kale to make these delicious bacon kale biscuits. They're like drop biscuits and easy to make. Ready to give it a try? Saute some turkey bacon in a non-stick frying pan. Add olive oil to the kale and massage the kale for about a minute. The massaging will help to soften the texture of the kale. Saute until the kale is softened. Let's make the biscuit dough while the sauteed turkey bacon and kale are being cooled down. Combine all the ingredients in a bowl. One cup of buttermilk. I used the reduced fat buttermilk because that was what I could find from my grocery store. I was concerned at first, but it actually worked out just fine. Mix all the ingredients together. This dough smells so good. Here I used a 1/4 cup measuring cup and that makes 6 biscuits. Brush with some melted butter and bake at 375 degrees for 13 minutes. Wish you can smell these biscuits. You see the kale and definitely smell the bacon and the cheese. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you like kale, check out my other kale recipe videos. Happy eating and see you next time.